All right, so I had one of these shelves in the garage since we moved. I think I bought two of them and only ended up using one of them in the basement. We put most of it together right next to the smoker. And this is a mattress, a mattress that we bought for one of the kids. Came in a heavy duty plastic and we always saved it. That was 2 years ago. And it did end up with a little hole in it, but we just threw it over that shelf. And now we got a little greenhouse here on the back step. So we got a few things in there, and I got my temperature probe, my Inkbird temperature probe there, so I can read that via Bluetooth from the kitchen. So I'll be able to monitor the temperature. Anyway, that's what we got going, and we got the four big white ones here turned over. They were relatively easy. It took about an hour each. You got to shovel about 3/4 of it out onto a tarp. And then with two people, you can flip the rest onto the tarp and redo it. And if you're happy with the soil that's there, there's no need to. But we just think it's healthier for overall to be replenishing the soil. And same idea as tilling in the spring. And similar amount of effort, but it's quite easy to do. That's what the garden is looking like this year. These are about 20 to 30 minutes each. The blue ones, you just tip it over onto a tarp, and it's actually relatively quick. If you want to mix in more fertilizer or sheep shit or whatever, that's the whole purpose of it. And you can mix it thoroughly through the whole thing and aerate it. Putting straw in is really, really useful. Some of that bramble back there that's cut up, putting that on the bottom is actually very beneficial with a little bit of straw in there as well. Biodynamic farming. You could do like biodynamic container farming doing that. In fact, I think I might do something like that.